Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Monday, February 11th. I'm back after a week off in New York for Money Tech. Glad to be back. I've got 4 great press releases for you from both sides of the border. So let's start you off first with International Consolidated Companies, trades on the OTC in the U.S. under the stock symbol INCC. They're making a repeat performance here for another potential acquisition. This time, they've announced the signing of a letter of intent to acquire a glassware company out of China. If you don't know, they're focusing on China. This company has unaudited numbers as follows: $10 million in revenue, $1.2 million in net profit after tax net profit, and about $12 million in assets on the balance sheet, along with about $1.2 million in accounts payable. The target company is Shaanxi Jingpeng Glassware Company. That's obviously in the Republic of China. Terms of the acquisition aren't going to be announced until due diligence is completed, and they don't give us a definite date or any kind of ETA on that, so keep a lookout for it. International Consolidated acquires companies in China. They're focused on 3 dynamic areas: healthcare, tech, and environment. They closed yesterday on Friday at 79 cents. Next up, staying with the OTC, is Next Inc., stock symbol NXTI. They announced both their Q4 and their full year numbers. It's a sportswear product company, and this is all for the year ended November 30, 2007. For the quarter, net sales $8.5 million. That's compared to about $10.2 million for the quarter last year, so they are down there. However, net income is up for the quarter to $287,000 or 2 cents per share. That compares to about $55,000 or flat cents, no cents per share last year at this time. For the full year, revenue $20.2 million. That's down significantly from $28.7 million for the year before. Also, net loss for the current year, $470,000 versus income of $46,000 last year. So why are we reporting on this? Well, I like the fact that the quarter, even though sales were down, profits were up. So maybe what they did was got rid of some unprofitable lines of revenue, focused on the profitable stuff. And because Q4 is the closest period as opposed to full year, maybe they've done some reorganizing, I want to report on this. Plus, the loss of $470,000 on $20 million in revenue isn't that big of a deal, so it's definitely a company worth watching. They closed on Friday at 15 cents. They're way off their 52-week high of about 60 cents, but just off their low of 10, and maybe this is a reason with the good Q4 might be an entry point. As always, do your own due diligence. Over to the TSX Venture Exchange, Bio Extraction trades on the venture under the stock symbol BXI. This is an AGORACOM client. We do have to disclose that, but the news definitely stands on its own 2 feet. What is it? Has been named the recipient of the 2008 Frost & Sullivan North American Technology Innovation Award in the field of oilseed extraction. This for the development of its proprietary extraction technology that enables the high-yield extraction of oil, meal, and protein from oil seeds. What is this technology? What is Frost & Sullivan? What is this award exactly? It's bestowed on an unsolicited basis upon a company or individual, quote, has carried out new research which has resulted in innovations that have or are expected to bring significant contributions to an industry in terms of adoption, change, and competitive posture. You know what we like to focus here on AGORACOM TV, either great revenues, great partnerships, or great awards, and this is definitely one of them. Chris Carl, Chief CEO over BioX, for a small company, is now moving to full commercial exploitation of its technology to be recognized as a technology leader in the industry as large as protein concentrates and oilseed extraction is certainly quite an honor, and that is a massive industry. We look forward to the very profitable application of this technology through the construction and operation of our Saskatoon canola processing facility in the coming year. The company closed trading on Friday at 32 cents. And finally, Northland Resources trades on the Venture Exchange under NAU. For our viewers in Germany, on the Frankfurt under NBS, and for our friends in Norway and Oslo under NAUR. They announced their first NI 43-101 compliant resource estimate and excellent metallurgical tests. This is for their 100% owned Tapuli magnetite project in northern Sweden. Let's go to the NI 43-101 resource estimate. Total indicated resources, 54.4 million tons with an average grading of 27.7%. Total inferred resources, inferred 47.6 million tons, average grade of 26.3% iron. Mineralization remains open below 300 meters, and they're going to file the the 43101 report on CDAR within 45 days. Buck Morrow, president of the company, had a pretty long quote. Took some excerpt. Today's news is our third resource calculation on a significant magnetite body in the last 12 months. They also have the Stora Sahavara magnetite deposit in that region as well. The early results of the metallurgy are some of the best we've received to date from our projects, and the Tapuli metallurgical flow sheet looks straightforward. The company closed trading on Friday at $2.51. That's a wrap for the day. A bit of a slow news day. 4 great press releases for you. As always, we're more focused on quality over quantity, so hopefully these are great leads for you. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap news, check out the AGORACOM small cap marketplace. Over 80 companies now listed by industry and exchange with great descriptions, so you can find the one that best suits your portfolio needs. That's a wrap for the day. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day until then.